As light footsteps echo gently across the endless grasslands, a new day begins. This is the moment when the herd of Sika deer slowly awakens. In the golden light of dawn, their velvety, warm antlers shimmer soft to the touch, but rich in value and purpose. People realize that behind the graceful appearance of these quiet animals lies a complex, time-sensitive process. Breeders must vigilantly monitor the growth of each antler, observing them day by day, hour by hour. Harvesting too early risks immaturity. Harvesting too late can have their value. In traditional medicine, deer antlers are regarded as rare and powerful healing treasures. Deer raised for antler production are almost exclusively males. They are naturally docile, easy to tame, and well suited to semi-wild environments. Antlers begin growing each year in early spring. During this period, they are filled with blood vessels, nutrients, and living tissue, requiring careful nutrition and low-stress conditions to reach their full medicinal potential. Their diet is rich and carefully curated. Fresh grasses, native leaves, vegetables, corn kernels, roasted soybeans, and trace minerals are all essential. This specialized feeding regimen supports rapid, thick antler growth, soft and full of vitality, ideal for use in traditional remedies. Velvet antlers are biological marvels, containing over 25 types of amino acids, collagen, natural growth hormones, and essential minerals like calcium, zinc, and magnesium. This natural cocktail promotes regeneration, boosts immunity, restores strength, and is even believed to slow aging, earning velvet antlers the title of living essence in Eastern medicine. The prime moment for harvesting comes when the antlers reach 25-30 centimeters in length, a soft, smooth stage rich with blood flow. This short, golden window occurs only once a year. At harvest, the deer is gently restrained to avoid stress, and a trained veterinarian or specialist swiftly cuts the antlers using a sterilized saw in a quick, safe, and painless procedure. The wound is then cleaned, disinfected, and carefully monitored to promote quick healing. The deer can resume normal life, preparing for the next growth cycle the following spring. Immediately after cutting, the antlers are boiled in hot water to preserve their nutrients. This also tightens the outer velvet and provides natural sterilization. Precise control of time and temperature is essential to prevent the loss of valuable bioactive compounds. After boiling, the antlers are either air-dried or placed in specialized drying ovens. This step ensures long-term preservation and prepares the antlers for various forms of processing. Post-harvest, the deer require extra care. They are fed fresh grass, ripe bananas, corn bran, and mineral supplements to help them recover strength. Their enclosures must be quiet, clean, and comfortable to minimize stress and prevent infection. Once dried, velvet antlers are processed into numerous health products. The most common form is thin slices soaked in medicinal wine, believed to enhance vitality and longevity. Other preparations include boiled tonics, culinary stews, or powdered capsules, each preserving the antler's potent compounds in a form suited for modern consumers. Every batch of processed antlers, particularly in capsule form, undergoes strict quality and food safety inspections. Only those that meet these high standards are packaged, labeled, and distributed as functional health products, catering to the growing demand for natural remedies. Would you like me to rewrite the sections about the Mangalitsa pig, mouse deer, or Komodo dragon next in the same detailed and immersive style?